Now let's learn what is a WordPress theme. A WordPress theme, as what you're looking at right now, is actually a graphical interface, or rather a template, that is consisted of many files to form the overall design for a WordPress website. The theme that you're looking at now is called the Sydney theme, which you could download it for free and use it on your WordPress website. You could have different layout for this theme, such as on your mobile phone, on tablet, and on different sizes of screens. And this kind of theme is called responsive because it responds to the different layouts or different screen sizes. There are free themes that you could download for WordPress. In fact, there are over 4,000 free themes that you could use, or you could choose to pay for one. To download a free WordPress theme, I would suggest that you go to wordpress.org and then select the Themes menu over here. And on this page, you could search for over 4,000 free themes available. There are featured ones, there are popular ones, as well as there are latest ones. Say, for example, you're looking to build a website for your restaurant business. You could always search the word restaurants, and you could find themes especially made for restaurant business. If you're looking for more selective or more specific WordPress themes, you could always go to themeforest.net, and under their WordPress section, there are over 11,000 WordPress themes that you could download. But again, virtually all of the themes available on this website are paid themes. So you just have to spend a little bit of money to buy these themes. There are many different WordPress themes made for different businesses, such as this one, which is very much made for a creative company. This is a restaurant theme. This is a theme on virtual reality. This is a DJ WordPress theme. This is a lifestyle theme. This theme is meant for consulting companies. How about a theme to look for places to stay? Like this one. Or a general purpose theme like this one. Pretty cool, huh? There's even a theme for your house cleaning business. So there are thousands and thousands of themes that you could download for free or for a fee. That's the beauty of WordPress.